Electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is the movement of charged molecules through an electrolyte when subjected to an electric field. Serum protein electrophoresis principle. Serum proteins are negatively charged at pH 8.6 and they move towards the anode at the rate depend on the net charge. Separated proteins are fixed and stained. What are the clinical applications of serum protein electrophoresis? Quantitative analysis of serum protein, identification and quantification of protein, identification of monoclonal proteins in serum and urine, separation and quantification of major lipoproteins, isoenzyme analysis, LDH, CK and AP. What are the types of electrophoresis? Agarose gel electrophoresis, cellulose acetate electrophoresis and capillary electrophoresis. Process of electrophoresis. Firstly, sample should be loaded and it is connected to the power supply. Gel is run at 70 to 100 volts, 150 milliampere for 30 minutes. Then gel is stained with dye and view the protein bands. The evaluation can be done using qualitative or quantitative. Evaluation of separated protein fractions densitometry. Densitometer is used for scanning of separated proteins in the gel. Scanning the pattern give a quantitative information about protein fractions. Electrophoresis normal reference ranges. Total protein 6 to 8 gram per deciliter. Albumin 3.5 to 5.0 gram per deciliter. Alpha 1 globulin 0.1 to 0.4 gram per deciliter. Alpha 2 globulin 0.4 to 1.3 gram per deciliter. Beta globulin 0.6 to 1.3 gram per deciliter. Gamma globulin 0.6 to 1.
Hi everybody, this is a small graph of serum protein electrophoresis which shows albumin, alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2 and gamma region. If you see very clearly, there is a small bridge between beta 2 and gamma, that is a beta gamma bridge. This is mostly seen in cirrhosis of liver pattern. So it is suggesting cirrhosis of liver, but the patient has complaints of severe blood loss, and that is why we have asked for immunofixation also. Immunotyping studies will further rule out whether monoclonality, polyclonality or seriously some problem in liver is present or not. The albumin is 47.5%. So it is a bit decreased. This shows maybe liver is affected because albumin is synthesized in liver. But rest, if you see, gamma is slightly increased, that is 20.7. Beta 2 is 6.5. Beta 1 is 11.1. Alpha 2 is 9.5. Alpha 1 is 4.7%. So this pattern, I just wanted to show that this pattern is more suggestive of cirrhosis of liver because of the beta gamma bridge. That's all. Thank you.